Hi everyone, I am going to discuss about the classical dances of India or Indian dance forms. The reference which I was taken from is Nitin Singhania, where most of the people refer Nitin Singhania. In the same way, I also referred Nitin Singhania to give my best to you. As we go into the introduction part, according to Indian mythology or Indian history, Natya. Natya is the mixture of dance, drama, and music. Here, Natya is not only dance but also drama. It includes drama and music. These where these three combined are called Natya. These also include not only those three. These also include Patya means words from Rigveda. Abhinaya means gestures, which was taken from Yajurveda. Geet means music, taken from Samaveda, and Rasa are called emotions, taken from the Atharva Veda. These four Vedas combined is called Natya Shastra. In the history, the word dance is mentioned first in Natya Shastra, which was written by Bhartamuni. Bhartamuni, please remember this point. The first dance is mentioned in Bhartamuni's Natya Shastra in 200 BC and 2nd century AD. This work contains techniques, postures, and emotions. Means Bharatamuni's Natya Shastra contains different techniques, postures, and emotions which were used to develop the dance forms. That there are two major or main aspects of the dance. They are Lasya and Tandava. These are the two main aspects of the dance. Lasya means facial expressions. Facial expressions are very much important for dance. So these are the first main aspect. This is the first main aspect, facial expressions. All the expressions are given through face. Without dancing, only expressions can tell everything. Grace, bhava, rasa and abhinayas, these are all comes under lasya. Next, tandava. Tandava means it is the full body movements, means vigorous steps, vigorous dance forms, mainly done by male people. These were done mainly by male people. Mm, these tandavas are more important, gives more importance to rhythm and movement. These are based on the rhythm. Based on the rhythm, the movement will be more vigorous. Next, Abhinaya Darpam, which is written by Nandikeshwara. Nandikeshwara's Abhinaya Darpam. This is the main important thing. Abhinaya Darpam, which is written by Nandikeshwara. It has three basic elements of the dance. The dance has been broken into three basic elements. Those are Nritta, Nritya, and Natya. Nritta, Natya, Nitya. Means Nritta means it refers to basic dance steps performed rhythmically of any expression or mode. It means basic dance steps. It does not depend on the rhythm or expressions or anything else. Irrespective of mood or expression, the dance performed by rhythm is called Nritta. Next, Natya. It is the dramatic representation. Dramas or plays are elaborated through dance. Means dramas are expressed with dance steps or dance. A play runs in the dance. This is called Natya. Please make note of them. Nritya means it refers to sentiment and emotions. Here, sentiments and emotions are performed through Nritya. It is the one type of dance form. It includes different methods of expressions, including mudras in dance. These Nritya mostly contains mudras. All the expressions and sentiments are given through mudras. Next, if we name the persons, for male person performing dance is called Nayaka. The person who is performing dance, male person is called Nayaka, and the female person is called Naika. Nayaka and Naika. Hero and heroine, as we take in daily sense. Rasas are called emotions. Rasa, meaning of rasas are emotions. There are 9 rasas in the Natya Shastra. Those are Shringara Rasa, Raudra Rasa, Bhivatsa Rasa, Veera Rasa, Shant Rasa, Hasya Rasa, Karuna Rasa, Bhayanak Rasa, Adbhuta Rasa. The meanings of these rasas: Shringara means love, Raudra Rasa means anger, which shows anger in dance, Bhivatsa means disgust, Veera means heroism, showing heroism in the dance, Shant means peace, this act contains peace, Hasya means laughter, they can even make us laugh by dancing, Karuna means tragedy, Bhayanak means horror, Adbhuta means wonder. These emotions are all expressed with face, lasya, face means lasya, and mudras, tandavas or anything. India's classical dance forms. If we go into Indian classical dance forms, Sangeet Natak Academy, which is the main important thing. Sangeet Natak Academy is also called as National Academy of Music, Dance and Drama. It selects the classical dance forms of India, national dance forms of India. Up to now, there are 8 classical dance forms in India which are recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy. Understood? Those 8 classical dance forms we can see one by one. First one is Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is the oldest of all the dance forms. Oldest of all the 8 dance forms. Not only 8, which are not listed also. Bharatanatyam, it is the oldest of all dance forms. It derives its name from Bharatamuni. Its name Bharatamuni, it was taken from the name of Bharatamuni. It is originated in Tamil Nadu. The place of birth of this dance is called Tamil Nadu. It is the solo dance performance of temple dancers or Devadasis performed by temple dancers. Those are also called Devadasis. Devadasis means the people who work for temple, who dance in temples. In olden days, Devadasis are being in temples. Those people perform this Bharatanatyam. Most of the movements in Bharatanatyam resembles dancing flame. Means it's most of the steps, movements in Bharatanatyam resembles dancing flame. It resembles the fire dance. Hence, it is also often referred as fire dance. It is also called as fire dance. It resembles dancing flame. Please make note of all these points. In this Bharatanatyam, equal importance is given to Tandava and Lasya. Tandava and Lasya. Equal importance. Some dance forms gives more importance to Tandava and some gives more importance to Lasya. In Bharatanatyam, Tandava and Lasya are given both equal importance. One of the most important mudras is Katakamukha Hasta. Means Katakamukha Hasta is one of the mudra performed in Bharatanatyam especially. It is the most important mudra of Bharatanatyam. Some famous dancers of Bharatanatyam are Yamini Krishnamurthy, Lakshmi Vishwanathan, Padma Subramanian, Mrinalini Sarabhai, Mallika Sarabhai, etc. Please remember these names because anytime they can be asked in exams. Famous proponents, please read once. Kuchipudi. Next, second is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is the main dance form originated in Andhra Pradesh in the village Kusilavapuri. This Kuchipudi dance follows Vaishnavism. The themes of Vaishnavism are kept in this Kuchipudi dance. Vaishnavism, remember this. At first, this dance form is performed by male Brahmins known as Bhagavatulas. Bhagavatulas means these are the Brahmins who performs Kuchipudi dance in Andhra Pradesh. Involves foot movements, difficult foot movements. The main attractive part of this dance is difficult foot movements are done by the people. Mm, Both Lasya and Tandava elements are important. Both Lasya and Tandava. In Kuchipudi also, both Lasya and Tandava are given equal importance. The principal instruments used are violin and mridangam. Mridangam and violin are the most important elements used in Kuchipudi dance form. Here we go. Famous proponents are Radha Reddy and Raji Reddy, Yamini Krishnamurthy, Indrani Rahman, etc. Remember these names. Next, third one is Kathakali. Kathakali is the famous dance form in Kerala, originated in Kerala. Content is based on Ramayana and Mahabharata. The dance forms of content is in this Kathakali is based on Ramayana and Mahabharata. This name Kathakali means Katha means story. Kali means drama. Story drama means a story is performed in the dance. That is called Kathakali. The main theme of this Kathakali is they tells us a story through dance. That is the main thing we should remember. It is a male troupe performance. Male troupe performed by the male troupe. It involves both dance and drama. I told this right. Dance and drama is performed in this form. In this Kathakali dance form, it depicts conflict between good and evil. It depicts the conflict between good and evil through drama. That is the main thing which attracts in Kathakali dance form. Next, languages used in Kathakali is Manipravalam. Remember this point. Language used in Kathakali songs is Manipravalam. Manipravalam means mixture of the Malayalam and Sanskrit. If we mix both Malayalam and Sanskrit, then Manipravalam will originate. That is the main thing. Languages used in Kathakali song is Manipravalam. Make note of this. Dancers represent rasa through movement of eye and eyebrows. The main important thing in this Kathakali is the dancers they rotate eyes like everything. Dancers represent rasa through movement of eye and eyebrows. Right. Famous proponents are Guru Kunchu Kurup, Gopinath, Nattakal, Shivaraman, Kottakal Shivaraman, Rita Gangul, etc. Next, fourth dance form is Mohini Attam. Mohini Attam is also famous dance form. Mohini means beautiful woman. It is now originated from the word beautiful woman. Mohini means by the name we can say that this is performed by women. Attam means dance. See here, solo dance performance by women. As I told, we can remember this by this title name, right? Mohini means beautiful woman. So we can easily say that Mohini Attam means performed by solo, but we should remember this solo dance performance by women. Okay, it is originated in Kerala, like Kathakali also originated in Kerala, and this Mohini Attam is also originated in Kerala. Remember this. Lasya aspect is more dominant in this dance form. Lasya has given more importance. See here, more than Tandava, Lasya is more important in this Mohini Attam dance form. Instruments used are cymbals. Cymbals means drums, veena, drums, flute, etc. Main the things are this. Famous proponents are Sunanda Nair, Kalamandalam Kshemavati, Madhuri Amma, Jayaprabha Menon, etc. These are some names. Do not need to remember these names, but read once so we can get to know who belongs to which dance form, right? Next, Odissi. Odissi originated in Odisha. Name is derived from Odran Ritya. Its name Odissi is derived from Odran Ritya, mentioned in Natya Shastra, Bharatamuni's Natya Shastra. Remember, everything is related to something in this. So we can say Odran Ritya mentioned in Natya Shastra means first we learned about Natya Shastra Bharatamunis. So he came here. everything is related. It is similar to Bharatanatyam in the use of mudras and postures. See here, this Odissi is similar to Bharatanatyam. Some unique differences are there, but some common things are Bharatanatyam is similar. Odissi is similar to Bharatanatyam in the use of mudras and postures. See, Tribhanga posture is the important one. Tribhanga, three bended form of the body. See, Tribhanga, three bended form of the body. The body bends in three parts. Tribhanga posture is the important one in Odissi dance form. Instruments used are manjira, pankavaj, sitar, flute, etc. Famous proponents are Guru Pankaj Charandas, Gurukelu Charan Mohanapatra, Sonal Mansingh, Sharon Lovan, USA, Mirla Barvi, Argentina. People are from outskirts. Next dance form is Manipuri. Manipuri is originated in Manipur. It is performed primarily by girls. It is also performed by girls. Manipuri. Krishna is the central theme of dance form. See, here girls are mostly attracted to Krishna according to mythology. So, Krishna is the main attraction or central theme of this dance form, Manipuri dance form. It is originated in Manipur, performed by girls. Equal importance is given for both Tandava and Lasya. In this dance form, Tandava and Lasya are given both equal importance. Next, Nagabandha Mudra is the important posture in this dance form. Nagabandha Mudra. See here, Nagabandha Mudra is the important posture in this dance form. What is Nagabandha Mudra? Originated in Uttar Pradesh. Kathak dance form is originated in Uttar Pradesh. Derived its name from Katika. Katika means storytellers. This dance form is also based on the story, right? By the meaning of this Katika, storytellers, we can say that this Kathak dance form is based on story. Jugalbandi is the main attraction. Jugalbandi means competition between the dancer and the tabla player. Means the competition runs between the dancer and the tabla player during the performance. That it is very interesting aspect in this dance form. Remember this point, Jugalbandi. It is generally accompanied with Drupad music. Means this dance form is accompanied with Drupad music. Famous proponents of this dance form are Birju Maharaj, Lachu Maharaj, Sitara Devi, Damayanti Joshi, etc. Next, Satriya. Originated in Assam. Satriya dance form is originated in Assam. This dance form narrates the mythological stories of Vishnu. This is also based on the stories of Vaishnavism or Vishnu. Next, Satriya is performed in groups by male monks known as Bokots. The male monks performs, sometimes females also may perform, but the male monks performs, those male monks are known as Bokots. Instruments used are kol, cymbals, flute, etc. Both Lasya and Tandava are given equal importance. Means most of the dance forms are giving equal importance to Lasya and Tandava, but some gives more importance to Lasya and some gives more importance to Tandava. We see into the note. Till now, Sangeet Natak Academy recognized 8 classical dance forms, but Ministry of Culture recognized 9 classical dance forms, including Chau. Means Sangeet Natak Academy recognized only 8 classical dance forms, but here the Ministry of Culture recognized 9 classical dance forms, including Chau. Chau is the folk dances in India, one of the folk dances in India. Okay, we will discuss about the folk dances in the next class. Thank you.